How to delete YouTube search history. Welcome to our tutorial on deleting YouTube search history. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of clearing your search history on YouTube for a cleaner and more private viewing experience. 1. Open your web browser or YouTube app and sign in to your YouTube account. 2. On the YouTube homepage, click on the menu icon or your profile picture and select History from the options provided. 3. Within the History section, locate and click on Search History. 4. Click on the Clear All Search History button or individually delete specific searches by selecting the X next to each search item. 5. You will receive a confirmation message verifying that your YouTube search history has been successfully cleared. Congratulations! You have successfully cleared your YouTube search history, enhancing your privacy and browsing experience. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.